I'm John Merritt. My company's Merritt Construction Solutions. We build custom homes here in Helensburgh, out of Helensburgh, south of Sydney in Australia. I originally was looking for an applicator, that meter-long applicator. I couldn't find it. I'd seen it on social media. I couldn't find it in Australia. Soudal had it, but I didn't realize the benefit of the product. I was purely buying it for the applicator. Absolutely. I was impressed. It was such a good product to use. It was easy, easy to apply. I was amazed at how it turns from a foam to a gel and then back expands out once the board's down. I was really worried about the transition from the concrete floor to the timber floor in this house, and we got no squeaks whatsoever. So it was great. I'd use it absolutely. So I definitely recommend it to other tradesmen. It was so easy to use. The 1 meter application rod was brilliant. My son's 6'5". No stress on the back. He was easily able to apply it. Smooth. It goes on quick. Clean. The unit cleans itself well. So and when we went underneath and looked, there were no gaps. It had expanded. There were no missed areas. It was brilliant. Really good product.